Hey everybody, Brandon Shaga here for week 1 of Immersive application deployment. Gonna go over my features that I'm gonna be implementing for my immersive element here. I apologize in advance if I sound really bad. I've been sick the last couple of days, so I've pretty much just been in bed trying to get over this stupid cold that I have. I guess I'll go over my features really quick. So I have 3, I guess like power-ups that I'm gonna make. So the special star power-up is basically like a different colored star that will award more points than a normal star. So right now there's gold stars, and I'll create other color ones that will like offer double or triple points. I'm gonna have a power-up that's gonna be like a time slowdown. So basically everything but the plane will move at a slower speed. So it gives you, more time, I guess, to kind of move up and down to avoid obstacles or to collect stars, things like that. And then I'll have the score multiplier power-up, which will just increase all the points that you gain for a certain amount of time. So if a star is worth 1 point, this will make like worth 1 point. This will make like all the stars worth 3 points for a certain amount of time or something like that. The estimated level of difficulty, so I don't think mine are going to be too difficult. I think this special star pop is going to be pretty easy. I'll just have to add more sprites in and randomly pick a new sprite every once in a while and throw that one in instead excuse me, of the normal one. And then for the time slow, all my movement is based on like a constant global variable, so I'll just have to change that for a certain amount of time. And then the score multiplier, that's probably going to be the easiest one, because I just have to, like if you come in collision with this object, I'll just have to have a base multiplier of 1 and just increase it, when you hit this star. So I don't think the features are going to be too difficult to achieve. The time slow and the special star might be a little more troublesome. The special star, I think, just because I'm going to have to create functions that will randomly pick whether or not it's a normal star, or if I have like 2 other different kinds, and then placing those on the screen instead. So I'll probably have to come up with classes for those. The order in which each of your immersive element will be implemented, it's probably going to be implemented in this order. I might switch these two just because the special star and the score multiplier kind of go together, I guess. They both increase your score overall. So yeah, I'll probably do that. I'll do the special star first, and then the score multiplier, and then the time slow last. One ideal implementation would look like, for example, how the user would ideally engage with your immersive element. So I guess the ideal implementation would be like the entire point of the game is to get the highest score possible. So these power-ups will allow you to get an even higher score. If you attempt to collect them. Eventually, like I said in my post, I want to have some form of like leaderboards or the game center integration, or like the play games integration, so that your scores are stored on online with your friends, and then you can compete against them as well. And then I might even set up some kind of internal leaderboards where it just keeps the highest score for like the top 10 people who ever play the game or something like that. So I think that would be the most ideal implementation. I think that's all for questions. Yeah, so that will be my immersive element. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I'll see you next week. Thanks a lot.